And so when it comes to being a great team member, being the topic of today, it's really cool when you learn something different and new from a blog article or from like a random YouTube video that you saw, and you're making this complex piece of code that you're proud of. The problem with that is when I come behind you and I don't have any clue what that blog article was, what that YouTube video was, I never seen that material before, and I have no idea how to approach your code. Writing understandable, maintainable code is one of the best things you can do as a developer, because guess what? By doing that now, for the longevity of that life cycle of that code, it's now usable by everybody. What happens if you make this really cool, creative, complex thing and then you quit? What do we do then? The company can't break down because of that. So one big factor, obviously, on being a great team member would be in the realm of writing really great maintainable code. The other one is amazing communication skills. If Francesco and I are working on a team, let's say Francisco is stuck on something, he hasn't vocalized it, how am I supposed to know that we need to progress him or move him or give him resources or kind of maybe pair programming with him a little bit to get past that blocker? Great communication skills isn't underrated. And what's funny is that's actually something you can demonstrate really well in a job interview as well, right? If you think about how to share these items, share these ideas, talk about these points, it's extremely valuable within that setting. And so I think even from those two things, those are two major points actually that can kind of help you become a better team member, but also qualities you could look for in others. That if you see certain developers doing things that you wouldn't necessarily say are great communication standards or great coding standards, these are things that you can bring up in a meeting as well to talk about, hey, can we address ABC and find a better way to do X, Y, Z?